Hello and welcome to 6551 Estelle Street. This home is provided to us by Emily Schuhmacher. She is a realtor working out of the Ocean Beach Coldwell Banker office. This home here is a fresh new remodel. It's on a corner lot. This is in the Rolando district of San Diego. It has an open floor plan, lots of natural light coming in. It is move-in ready and has many scenic mountain views from the front and back of the home. A very large backyard. The backyard's great for entertaining. The interior, we're looking at new cabinets, quartz countertops, and new tile in the kitchen, as well as the bathrooms. And there is also new laminate flooring throughout. I toured this house during an open house, and we'll be going through the home. They are accepting offers between $599 and $649. So if you have a competitive offer within that range, definitely let Emily know. Coming in through the front door, we walk into a nice open floor plan here. There's the living room, the living area. It has a split AC unit that was just recently installed. The kitchen is nice and open floor plan style. It has the stove right in the center of the island there with the hood coming down on top of it. Right here in the living facility, the living room, you can see how well the design was thought out. New cabinets throughout. They're nice cabinets. They slide well. The sink and the stove are high quality items. The shaker cabinets, they match the home real well. It's got the dual colors, the gray on the bottom, white on top. The floor open plan is open, flowing, and large. It doesn't feel cramped at all. The lights coming in from the windows is real bright and gives it that airy feel. You know, some homes you get stuffy. This one does not feel like that at all. We've got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom off to the left here. Both bedrooms have carpet in them and good sized closets as well. Again, everything in this home is new. The flooring, the paint, the carpets, the vanities is a full remodel, and all the things in it are new. So literally turnkey, ready to move in. You don't have to worry about any of that. There is a gate on the side if you have an RV or a trailer and you wanted to back it into the backyard. Here is the bathroom. It's got a tub, a nice vanity, and faucet here. Real nice layout. Good sized bathroom for a home of this size. There is another bathroom off the master bedroom. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath home in total, 1,312 square feet. We'll be taking a look at that, the master bedroom and bath, shortly. Here's that other bedroom. You can see they're good size, a lot of space in them, and there is no AC in this part of the home. It's a split AC, so it goes into the living room only. With the doors open, and if you stuck a fan in there, it would flow through the whole home real nice and cool the whole place down. Going back through here, in order to go to the master bed, we have to walk through the living room and kitchen area. That door off to the left there that I just spun around is going to the master, and then going to the 2-car garage is off to the right. It's right off the kitchen, so if you park in the garage, real easy to get your groceries and stuff inside here. So this is the 2-car garage. There isn't much done in the garage. It's a garage. There's not a whole lot you can do in it. There's the door to the backyard, newer water heater. That door to the backyard is a nice second access. There is a slider door off the master bedroom in order to get to the backyard. And then there's also this side door through the garage to get to the backyard. We're going to take a look at the master bedroom, walk through the backyard, through the master bedroom, and see all the features over there. Again, this is a turnkey home. It is move-in ready. You would only have to bring yourself and your belongings in here if you wanted to. Here is the master bedroom. And the bathroom is right here. We've got a shower and a toilet, as well as a double vanity. The colors selected in this home are very neutral and very modern colors. You can adapt these to many people's likes and styles, as well as furniture styles. It's nice having a neutral color that you can play with. The master bedroom is a larger master bedroom. It has a closet off to the left there. It's a walk-in closet. Plenty of room for any additional furniture items or armoires or vanities that you're looking to add into here, or dressers that you're looking to add into here as well. That's the nice thing about having a large master, is you get a lot more flexibility and options with what you want to do with it. The slider slides very nicely. It's smooth. Doesn't have any of the binding things that many of the other sliders have. We're going to see the door for the garage that accesses the back. And just look at the size of this backyard. For a San Diego backyard, this is very large. The fence is new, the grass is clean, the patio's clean. Put some patio furniture out here, stick some umbrellas out here to keep out of the sun. And have your barbecues or have your events. Keep your dog out here. A lot of opportunity, a lot of options and flexibility with this space. Overall, it's a very clean, well-designed home. It is a mid-century classic, is what the realtor told me, and built around 1951, and it was remodeled just a few months ago. If you have any questions, please let Emily know. Give her a call. Or if you have any lending questions regarding this home, please let me know. And our contact information is down below in the description. Other than that, I appreciate the time that you took in reviewing the video, and we'll be talking to you soon. Thank you.